Vishwan. Today my topic is triple triple data encryption, and this triple DES you can solve the encryption with three keys and also with two keys, and I can explain thoroughly uh, how triple DES works with two keys. Triple DES with work with three keys: encryption and decryption. Here we go. Triple DES with three key. This is the encryption part. Triple DES performs the same operation as double DES. Triple DES using the key K1 and K2 and K3 for encrypting the plain text in versional plain text encryption. Here the first key 1 and ciphertext 1 and encryption key 2. And mathematically, triple DES with 3 key encryption is presented as we can take it one equation C1 equals to E K1 plus K1 P, and first it performs encryption on plain text by which encrypted using K1 and obtains the first ciphertext C1. Now you are seeing the first ciphertext C1 and this is the encryption done. And again the ciphertext is encrypted using K2. This K2. Again we can write the one equation C2 equal to EK2 comma C1. And again ciphertext encryption using K2 which obtains C2. To obtain the second ciphertext. This is the first ciphertext encryption and second ciphertext encryption. And you can write another equation C2 equal to E of K2 and E of K1 plus P, which is again encrypted using K3 and generated final cipher C3. In this ciphertext 2 encryption and final ciphertext. So key 3 C3 equal to E equal to, and we can write the third equation C3 equal to K3 C2. C3 equal to K3 equal to K2 C of. Then we can write the final equation as E of K3, E of K2, E of K1 of P, where the P is plain text and K1 is key 1 and K2 is key 2 and K3 is key 3. Here C1 is first ciphertext and C2 is the second ciphertext, and here C3 is the final ciphertext equal to encryption. And we can next go through the decryption part. Here we go. Triple DES with 3 key encryption. Decryption. Decryption of triple DES is reverse of encryption. First final ciphertext decryption. It almost we should do the reverse method in this decryption. In triple DES decryption process, final ciphertext C3 decryption using K3. Result is ciphertext C2. Here we see we are going the process in the reverse way, like final ciphertext to decryption K3 and ciphertext to 3. And mathematically, you can write as the C2 equal to D K3 C3. Here C2 is second ciphertext, and C1 is D equal to K2 comma ciphertext 2, and C1 is D equal to K2 D of K3. Here K is nothing but K3 is nothing but key 3 decryption, and C2 will be decrypt the K2 and get C1 ciphertext. Here C2 will be decrypt the K2 and gets the C1 encryption ciphertext. First ciphertext ciphertext in, and then C1 ciphertext decrypt the K1 and get the version plaintext P, and P equal to here in mathematically D1 D of K1 C1 PD of, then we call like this, and where P is equal to plaintext and key of 1, and of course K equal to 3 and C1 equal to cipher safe. C1 equal to first ciphertext. Here C2 is second ciphertext. C3 equal to final ciphertext. Yeah. So D equal to decryption process. Same as in encryption, but we should do the decryption as in a reverse way. First, we should check the final ciphertext. After, we should do the decryption with the key 3, and next we go to the ciphertext 2. In ciphertext 2, you can use the key 2 and decrypt the encryption, and ciphertext will come. After cipher key 1 cipher decryption, key 1 uses the decryption, and we can see the version plain text. And next we are going through TripleDES with 2 key encryption and decryption. As same as TripleDES with 2 key encryption. TripleDES perform a same operation as double DES. TripleDES using 2 keys key1 and key2 for encryption the plain text. First it performs encryption on plain text P, which is encrypted using K1, obtaining first ciphertext C1. Again this ciphertext is encrypted using key 2, which obtains second ciphertext C2, which is again encrypted using key 1 and generate the final ciphertext C3. Here, here's the original plain text. First we are doing the encryption part. Encryption with key 1 and ciphertext 1, and encryption key 2, ciphertext 2, and encryption with key 1. Here we are doing again with the key 1 part. In mathematically C1 equal to E of K1 of P, C2 equal to E of K2 E of K1. Here the C3 equal to E, and C3 equal to E K1 E K2 comma C1. It's the final equation C3 equal to E of K1 E K2 E of K1 P, where P equal to plain text, K1 equal to K1, and K2 equal to K2 equal to K2, and C1 equal to final ciphertext. C2 is second ciphertext, C3 is final ciphertext, equal to, where E is equal to encryption. And TripleDES with the 2 key encryption. We have done the encryption part, and we should do now the decryption part. As same as 3 key encryption and 3 key decryption is, we should do the reverse method, and here also same as 3 key 3 key encryption and decryption. This decryption of a TripleDES is reverse of encryption, nothing but reverse of encryption. In TripleDES decryption process, final ciphertext is will decrypt the key 1, results the ciphertext C2. C2 will be decrypt the K2 and get the C1 ciphertext. Then C1 ciphertext decrypt the key1 and gets the version plaintext. As same we are doing the reverse process where the encryption is done. All are just we are doing the reverse process. As you can see the diagram here, first the final ciphertext, decryption with key 1 and ciphertext 2, decryption with 2 2, ciphertext 1 and decryption, and we can get the original plain text. In mathematical, C2 D1 equal to C2 equal to decryption K1 comma C3 and C1 equal to K2 comma C2. C1 equal to D K2 comma D1 and K C3 comma P2 and P equal to K1 comma C1 PD equal to K1 comma D2 and C2. PD of K1 D of K2 and wave P equal to plain text K1 equal to K1 and K2 equal to P2 equal to K2 and C1 equal to first ciphertext is here and C2 equal to second ciphertext and C is equal to final ciphertext and where the D is the decryption. Thanks for giving this opportunity.